Hi everyone, it's Amy and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I wanted to kind of try out a new eye makeup look. So without further ado, I think we should start this video. I really want to complement my eyes and I always want to try to dip more into color. So I thought I'm gonna do like a metallic blue kind of makeup look. So I'm just gonna do like my normal makeup and I'll be back when I'm ready to do the eyes. So as you can tell, I've set the base, I've got my makeup on, and I actually applied some very light concealer all over my eyelid as well. And I'm gonna go in with two different blue shades, and I'm trying to do a cut crease, which I've never done before, never ever, so I don't even know how it works. Maybe I have to watch a tutorial, but anyway, I'm going in with this blue shade first, and then I'm gonna go in with another very nice blue tone, which is this one right here, which is like super sparkly. Alright, so that's the best I can get, so let's just hope it works out. So apparently I thought I had lashes here, which I don't. So I have to pull off this look without some lashes. Great. Okay, so I put 15 layers of mascara on, just hoping that it'll work out, and I think it's okay. So I'm going to the shopping center tomorrow anyway. I have to pick up lashes. Alright you guys, I'm just gonna show you it up close, the look, and then I guess that's it for today's video. Guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you did, give it a like, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and I guess I'll see you guys in my next one. And until then, I hope you're having an amazing day and an amazing week, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!